you looking for a low-fat, no oil, no butter popcorn recipe that's quick and easy that you can make on the fly anytime you get the munchies? Are you wondering how you can make it taste really good and satisfying? Well, let me tell you, this is all you need. You need some plain popcorn kernels. You need a plain paper bag. You need a little bit of a measuring cup or little spoon. And you need a microwave. That's it. Oh, by the way, you won't even need to go out and buy an expensive air popper either. Okay, I'm so excited. I have my bag of popcorn. So here we go. Let's see how it turned out. Hey, look at that. Look at that. What? There you go. Freshly popped popcorn with no oil and no butter. Now, the question is, what do you add to give it flavor? Because, I mean, let's face it, it's plain popcorn and it's not going to taste good until you add something to it. Now, me personally, I like a vinegar, salt, smoky kind of blend. So this is the combination I came up with, which you may want to try. First of all, I got my distilled white vinegar. I have kosher salt. I have smoked liquid, or liquid smoke, I should say. And I got my smoked paprika. It might sound a little weird, but I swear, you mix this all up together, it tastes bomb. Like, it is really good. So I'll just show you. I don't put much vinegar. I maybe use a cap or two, so I just do that. Because really, I mean, think about it. You need something wet on these popcorn kernels so that the other ingredients can attach to it, right? I mean, after all, that's what the butter does with the salt. So here we go. A little bit of salt. You know, you put as much as you want to your preference. So here's some salt. Not much. I only put a little bit. And then, of course, my liquid smoke. I put a few drops of that on there. Not much. A little goes a long way. And then my smoked paprika. Yas. Put a little bit of that on there. And then I just take my trusty wooden spoon. I call it a wooden spoon. Anyway, and I blend it up. I just mix it, blend it all up, just like so. Just try to incorporate all the ingredients in there. Or you can shake it like this. It's whatever you want to do, right? So let's give it the old test. So here I go. I'm diving in. Oh, it's so good. I swear I'm going to eat this in 5 minutes flat. Maybe less. That was delicious. So, this is a no oil, no butter popcorn snack. It's enough for a little snack in the afternoon if you get the munchies, or even in the evening. And there's no fat. There's zero saturated fat in this because there's no butter and oil. You take away that stuff, you got a nice low-calorie snack that is high in fiber, low in fat, and low in calories. You can't beat it. So, give it a try. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you did with your paprika or your popcorn. Did you put smoked paprika on it? Did you try this recipe, or did you come up with another combination? I'd like to know. So drop me a comment. Don't forget a thumbs up, like and share. All of it helps to grow the channel. Until then, happy snacking. Catch you later. Bye.